Hello viewers, thank you for joining Mr. Robert's online math class. Now the question we have on the board requires us to find the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix A. Now we have many approaches of finding the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, but we are going to use Sarrus Rule. Now to use this method, what we are going to do, we are going to write each row and repeat the first two numbers. It's going to be very easy. Now let us go. Now the first row is 1, 1 and minus 2. So we are going to repeat the first two numbers 1 and 1. Then the second row 3, 1 and 4. Then we repeat the first two numbers 3 and 1. Then we have 2, 1 and 3. Then we repeat the first two numbers 2 and 1. Now see what we are going to do. We pick this. Please follow this arrow. We are going to take the product of these three numbers. One times 3. Then we multiply 1 times 1 times 1 times 3. What we have again is 1 times 4 times 2. And what we have again is minus 2, 3 and 1. So we take the product of minus 2, 3 and 1. Now we are done with the first part. What we do, we repeat the same process by taking this arrow and this. So what we have here is 2 times 1 times minus 2. Have you seen the difference between the two arrows? It shows direction. The first one we use positive sign or plus sign, while the second one we use the negative sign to connect the product. So what we have, the second one, we have 1 times 4 times 1. And finally we have 3, 3 and 1. So we take the product of 3, 3 and 1. So let us simplify what we have here on the board. 1 times 1 times 3 gives us 3. 1 times 4 times 2 gives us 8. 2 minus 2, negative 2 times 3 times 1 gives us negative 6. Now we go to this other side. 2 times 1 times negative 2 gives us negative 4. Please take note the negative is here, and this negative is as a result of what? The negative of the product. Remember, when you are multiplying two numbers where one is negative and one is positive, the answer, the product, will carry a negative sign. Then what we have here is 1 times 4 gives us negative 4. 3 times 3 times 3 gives us 9. So we have minus 9. So at this point, remember, whenever there is a negative number before a bracket, when removing the bracket, the sign of the thing inside the bracket will definitely change. So what we have here is 3 plus 8 minus 6 plus 4. This will come out to be what? A positive number. Then we have minus 4 minus 9. At this point, it's very easy to take it. For the sake of simplicity, 4 minus 4 is 0. So what we have now is 3 plus 8 is 11. So 11 minus 6 is 5. Now 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Therefore, the determinant of A equals -4. This is how to find determinant of a 3x3 matrix using Sarrus Rule. I hope you enjoy, I hope you've learned. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. No matter what, just subscribe to the YouTube channel and then share. Let the information get to other people. It might have a way of helping one or two people. Please don't fail to share. Thank you very much and do have a